Now, one question that's been raised since the Pahalgam terror attack is exactly where the attack mastermind is. Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Saeed, where is he? We've tracked him down here on India Today. We're revealing the hideout of the real kingpin. Let's face it, it's this man on your screens who's been behind some of the worst dastardly terror attacks happened in India. Now, we understand that Hafiz Saeed, based on the information that we've gathered, lives in Lahore at a densely populated locality. It's like unlike anything that one would associate with a terrorist, because he's living among common people in the middle of the city amid the hustle bustle, not hiding somewhere. Satellite pictures, video footage exclusively accessed by India Today, which we'll put out in just a bit, shows how India's most wanted terrorist and the world's most wanted terrorist really is hiding in plain sight. His personal security is confirmed also that they're there to protect Hafiz Saeed. There you have it, that particular picture showing you exactly where Hafiz Saeed's hideout is. This is an India Today Osant exclusive investigative report that shows you that bang in the middle of the city in Lahore, not in some hideout, not in some corner where nobody can find him. He's right in the city. You can see the area that we've marked out as his main residence. It's right next to a mosque and madrasa, which has basements, by the way, perhaps a hideout. Then you have a residential area right next to it. You see how packed with buildings that entire area is. What does this establish? Very clearly that Pakistan is providing all necessary protection to Hafiz Saeed, so much so that he doesn't have to hide in some corner. He doesn't have to go underground. He's actually living right bang in the middle of the city. Ankit Kumar of our Osant is joining us with more on this. Ankit, give us details really of how you found this particular address of Hafiz Saeed. He's living right in the middle of Lahore, which is so shocking.
Hafiz Saeed living in Lahore, Akshita, is no secret. The UNSC documents, even the several dossiers provided by India to Pakistan, they all have Hafiz Saeed's address. What is interesting is the way this entire locality has been designed. Later in this bulletin, we are going to put out some videos which were shot at the gates of Lashkar Chief. What we are going to put out is a conclusive evidence of where the real kingpin of the Pahalgam terror attack lives. Just to give you the overview of the location where Hafiz lives, there are two buildings. Building 1 is the residential building where Hafiz Saeed lives with his family. The second building right in front of the first building is a mosque. Within the mosque, it's a multi-story building. Within the mosque, there's also housing facilities. Hafiz spends a lot of time there. Hafiz conducts all his meetings there. And right in front of that mosque is a private park with some personal facilities. So what we are doing is, we are going to show you the visuals on your screen, Akshita. The visuals on your screen, the white building that the viewers can see, it's building number 2. It's a mosque cum madrasa where Hafiz Saeed conducts all his meetings. You can see a security guard. Now, it is important to clarify here, these are not live visuals, these are not even recent visuals. We are not putting out the exact date, we are not putting out the exact time when this video was shot, but for the first time on camera, you can see the ground zero, the exact place where India's most wanted terrorist Hafiz Saeed lives. The white building that you see is his workplace. It's a madrasa. It also has a multi-story hostel facility, 2 basements, and the building just in front of that white building is the place where his family lives. So this is the ground zero from where Lashkar-e-Taiba operates. The kingpin, India's most wanted terrorist Hafiz Saeed, lives in this very locality.
The video there on your screens, Ankit, giving us those details really, but you see this video very shaky, very grainy, because it's been shot very secretly to show you exactly where Hafiz Saeed lives. It's a busy, bustling neighborhood. What Ankit tells us is the white building you see here, That's a madrasa, a mosque. Right opposite it is his main residence. That's where Hafiz Syed and his family live. The madrasa that we're talking about, that's considered his workplace, perhaps where he's essentially strategizing all of these terror attacks on India. It's got a basement, so it's got a hideout as well. This is the footage that we have here on India Today. We're not going to tell you when exactly this video was shot or the timing, because of the fact that this has been shot in secret. But having said that, we can confirm for you that even right now, based on satellite footage that we have, this is exactly the neighborhood where Hafiz Syed stays. So any attempt to claim that, Pakistan is serious about cracking down on terror, that Pakistan is after Hafiz Syed, not really. He's living in plain sight. He's enjoying life in a bustling neighborhood in Lahore. Let me just also put out for you this particular picture. This is a satellite image. What you see in this entire area, this is the neighborhood in which Hafiz Syed lives. This building that we've marked out, that's his main residence. That's where he resides. Right opposite it, which you saw in that grainy footage, the white building, it's this particular area, which is a mosque and madrasa, which is basements, as I told you. Off that area, this particular pocket is another residential area which Hafiz Syed uses. So what you essentially look at is that this entire area is used by Hafiz Syed. It's his main residence that his family members also live in. There's also a private park here which he uses. He's living the good life. Essentially, 2 residences, 1 madrasa, which is again operational, which is used by him. It's got basements too. It's considered, in a sense, his workplace, this particular area where people come to meet him. So he's not hiding. He's very openly spending time in this area. There's even a private park, again, very close to his residence. So it's in this area that essentially he spends all of his time. He's got a main residence there, another residential area, a mosque, which you see in the footage as well. There are security officers around there as well, who you see on your screens there. These are the images, the videos that we've accessed. Let's just play this out for you, this video.
इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होएगी 1-2-4 दिन विच ठीक है सर जी
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਰਹੇਗੀ इंशाल्लाह
ये हाफिज साहब दे पर्सनल ने
हाँ हाँ
हाफिज ये जितनी भी सिक्योरिटी है हाफिज पर्सनल रखी सारी ठीक है इंशाल्लाह ठीक है इकबाल ये जो सामने जनरेटर पड़ा है वो जहाँ बंदा सिक्योरिटी वाला गन लेकर जा रहा है ये चाचा जी का घर है जहाँ जनरेटर पड़ा हुआ ठीक है ये हमारा ये चाचा जी का मदरसा है पूरा ये इसके ऊपर ब्लू टैंकी पड़ी है वाइट बिल्डिंग है ये चाचा जी का मदरसा है ठीक है ना
So you see this video, and we also heard there about the man describing how there's security officials present there. So imagine this, the world's most wanted terrorist has security in Pakistan, as brazen as it really gets. I want to bring in Arvind Oja also on this broadcast. Arvind, जो footage है हमारे पास, जो satellite images है हमारे पास, क्या agencies को भी पता है कि यही location पे हाफिज सईद के hideout है, यही location पे उसके main residence है?
देखिए ये वर्ल्ड एक्सक्लूसिव है और फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया टुडे पर है जब हम हाफिज सईद जो इंडिया का मोस्ट वांटेड है, जो मुंबई में 26/11 में जिसने अटैक कराया था, पहलगाम हमले का भी मास्टरमाइंड वही है। फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया टुडे पाकिस्तान में उसके ठिकाने की विजुअल्स, उसका घर दिखा रहा है। हाफिज सईद लश्कर तोयबा का चीफ, उसका पाकिस्तान के लाहौर में जौहर टाउन में उसका ये घर है, जिसकी एक्सक्लूसिव विजुअल्स वो इंडिया टुडे के पास है और यहीं वो घर में छुप कर के रहता है। हमने सैटेलाइट इमेज के जरिए भी वो एस्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश की है। और देखिए ये जो वीडियो है जो हाफिज सईद के घर का, जौहर टाउन का वीडियो है, क्योंकि हाफिज सईद अंडरग्राउंड है। वो कहाँ है किसी को नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हम इंडिया टुडे पर दिखा रहे हैं कि हाफिज सईद जो लश्कर का चीफ है वो कहाँ रहता है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, उसके सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वो खुद ऑन कैमरे पर वो कबूल रहे कि हाफिज सईद यहीं रहता है। साथ ही साथ जो उसके पड़ोसी हैं वो भी कैमरे पर बता रहे हैं कि उसके बगल में एक सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल खड़ा है कि ये हाफिज सईद का सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल है। ये जो विजुअल्स है, अगर आप इसको देखोगे तो जौहर टाउन में हाफिज सईद का घर है और ठीक उसके बगल में एक मस्जिद है। मस्जिद से ही हाफिज सईद ऑपरेट करता है। 24 घंटे पाकिस्तान आर्मी के लोग लश्कर तोयबा के जो आतंकी हैं वो सिक्योरिटी में तैनात रहते हाफिज सईद के। तो फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया टुडे पर हाफिज सईद जो लश्कर का चीफ है, जिसने 26/11 मुंबई में अटैक करवाया था, और ये भी बताया जा रहा है कि पहलगाम हमले का मास्टरमाइंड वही है, ISI के साथ मिलकर उसने पहलगाम हमले की साजिश रची थी। फर्स्ट टाइम हम उसका हाइड आउट दिखा रहे हैं, क्योंकि बीते दिनों ये भी चला था कई मीडिया हाउसेज में कि जो हाफिज सईद है उस पर अटैक हो गया है। लगातार हाफिज सईद जो पाकिस्तान की सरकार है वो कहती है कि हाफिज सईद को जेल में रखा हुआ है, उसको निगरानी में रखा हुआ है, लेकिन हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं जौहर टाउन, लाहौर का जौहर टाउन का ये इलाका जहां पर हाफिज सईद का घर है। हाफिज सईद के घर के अंदर इंडिया टुडे है, आप ये देख सकते हैं, इसमें विजुअल्स है हाफिज सईद का घर, और ठीक उसके बगल में एक मस्जिद है, वो काफ़ी बड़ी मस्जिद है, और ये हाई सिक्योरिटी इलाका है जहां पर आप मोबाइल लेकर नहीं जा सकते हैं, जहां पर कैमरा चलाना भी मना है, और यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे तो सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल वो आपको दिखाई देंगे। यानी सीधे जो पाकिस्तान की सरकार है वो सिक्योरिटी देती है हाफिज सईद को, जो US डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट है उसको सिक्योरिटी देती है, और उसकी सिक्योरिटी में न सिर्फ पाकिस्तान आर्मी के लोग बल्कि जो लश्कर तोयबा के टेररिस्ट हैं वो भी तैनात रहते हैं। और वो सारा स्टैब्लिश्ड हमने किया है इंडिया टुडे पर, जो हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप पूरे दिन जो हाफिज सईद है उसको एक्सपोज करेंगे, जो पाकिस्तान की गवर्नमेंट है ISI उसको एक्सपोज करेंगे, लेकिन ये जो विजुअल्स है यहीं पर हाफिज सईद है और इंडियन एजेंसीज को इसके बारे में जानकारी है।
Okay, so agency is also very closely tracking this. Arvind Oja giving us details of that world exclusive footage on your screens for the very first time, viewers, of exactly where Hafiz Saeed lives. In one of the areas of Lahore, in a bustling neighborhood where you have plenty of homes stacked one after another in a high security area. Security, by the way, provided by the Pakistan Army, is a terror mastermind, a man who has blood on his hands, the blood of thousands of innocents on his hands, and yet, ironically, gets security, a plush home, a working space, a madrasa right next to his residence, even a private park. This is how terrorists, terror masterminds are treated in Pakistan. Ankit Kumar, who's also gotten us the satellite images, is live with us. Ankit, you know, there's all of this sham and claims that Hafiz Saeed is in jail. Clearly not the case. You know, that eyewash has been exposed now. I'll take that across to Arvind Oja as well. Arvind, काफी claims आए हैं कि हाफिज साइद अभी जेल में है, वो, and that's clearly been busted. It's not true. हमारे पास footage भी है उनके घर कैसे लगता है.
बिल्कुल, देखिए, और मैं और अंकित जो इलाका है यहाँ पर।
Okay, Arvind, your mic is off. We're going to fix that. Just give us a moment as Arvind gets his audio up. Arvind, if you can hear me, go ahead.
अक्षिता, देखिए, मैं और अंकित जो आज तक इंडिया टुडे की क्राइम और इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम और ओपन सोर्स के जो एडिटर अंकित कुमार, हम इस फुटेज पर काफ़ी लंबे वक्त से काम कर रहे थे, और फर्स्ट टाइम ये वर्ल्ड एक्सक्लूसिव जहां हाफिज सईद का हाइड आउट है, हाफिज सईद का घर है, वो हम ऑन कैमरा दिखा रहे हैं। और न सिर्फ ऑन कैमरा दिखा रहे हैं बल्कि एविडेंस भी हमारे पास, जो हाफिज सईद के पड़ोसी हैं वो ऑन कैमरा ये बता रहे हैं कि जो हाफिज सईद है उसकी सिक्योरिटी में तैनात है, जो सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल है उसको भी दिखा रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ जो पाकिस्तान के लाहौर का जौहर टाउन इलाका है जहां उसका घर है, उसके ठीक बगल में एक बहुत बड़ी मस्जिद है। उस मस्जिद से हाफिज सईद ऑपरेट करता है। उसमें लश्कर के कई टेररिस्ट मौजूद होते हैं और वही टेररिस्ट हाफिज सईद की सिक्योरिटी में तैनात होते हैं। साथ ही साथ पाकिस्तान आर्मी के जवान तैनात होते हैं। एक एक करके हम आज पूरे दिन एक्सपोज करेंगे न सिर्फ हाफिज सईद को जो पहलगाम टेररिस्ट अटैक का मास्टरमाइंड है, चूंकि लश्कर का चीफ हाफिज सईद ही है, 26/11 टेरर अटैक का मास्टरमाइंड हाफिज सईद ही है। पाकिस्तान की सरकार हमेशा ये कहती है कि उसे नज़रबंद रखा गया है, उसे जेल में रखा गया है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम वीडियो एविडेंस यहीं पर हाफिज सईद है। और आपको ये भी बता दूं कि पहलगाम में जब टेरर अटैक हुआ है उसके बाद हाफिज सईद की सिक्योरिटी वो भी काफ़ी बढ़ा दी गई। तो फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया टुडे पर ये हम हाफिज सईद का घर दिखा रहे हैं। यहीं पर हाफिज सईद छुपा हुआ है, उसके एक बगल में मस्जिद है, वहीं से वो ऑपरेट करता है, अपने लश्कर के टेररिस्ट को उनसे बातें करता है और उसकी सिक्योरिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ पर टाइट कर दी गई है। ये हाई सिक्योरिटी एरिया है लाहौर के जौहर टाउन का।
Okay, so as we've accessed this footage on the right of your screens, that neighborhood is where Hafiz Saeed resides in a posh locality in Lahore. All claims by Pakistan that Hafiz Saeed is in jail exposed on your screens right now. We've accessed and we've put out this video. We understand, of course, that it's extremely sensitive, which is why we're not divulging the details of when this video was shot or who shot it for us. But we can tell you that it's in this very lane that Hafiz Saeed resides. And that confirmation even came in from the security officials who've been deployed there. Listen in to that.
इंशाल्लाह जिंदगी रही तो इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होएगी एक दो चार दिन
लो जी
ठीक है सर जी
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਰਹੇਗੀ इंशाल्लाह।
ये हाफिज साहब दे पर्सनल ने
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाफिज साहब ने
खालिद साहब आंदे ने खालिद
ये जितनी भी सिक्योरिटी है हाफिज ने पर्सनल रखी सारी ठीक है इंशाल्लाह ठीक है इकबाल
ये जो सामने जनरेटर पड़ा है वो जहाँ बंदा सिक्योरिटी वाला गन लेके जा रहा है, ये चाचा जी का घर है जहाँ जनरेटर पड़ा हुआ। ठीक है, ये हमारा ये चाचा जी का मदरसा है पूरा। ये इसके ऊपर ब्लू टंकी पड़ी है, वाइट बिल्डिंग है। ये चाचा जी का मदरसा है, ठीक है ना।
So that is the full footage that we have right now. You see the white building on your screens, that's the madrasa, the mosque, out of which Hafiz Saeed also operates. Right opposite it is his residence, where his family members also reside. Make no mistake at this point that this is the man, Hafiz Saeed is the man who is the mastermind, the main plotter of the Pahalgam terror attacks. Much like he was involved in 26/11 and so many other terror attacks carried out in Indian soil by the Lashkar-e-Taiba. This is the man who's plotted it. This is the man who is involved in the killing of so many Indians over the years. And so he lives a plush VIP life in Lahore, in the heart of Lahore, in the city, in a residential area with security. What you see on your screens there, in that footage, the two men standing there, they're security officials posted for Hafiz Saeed's safety. So just imagine that. This man, who should be rotting in jail, is actually living a fully free life in Lahore, enjoying security, living with his family, has access to a mosque and madrasa where he also operates out of. It has basements for his protection if he ever has to go into hiding. It even has a private park, which is meant just for this man. A terrorist is a VIP in Pakistan. We're going to get you all of our reporters also who've accessed that footage that's on your screens of Hafiz Saeed's residence and the satellite images that show you exactly where Hafiz Saeed resides. And as in fact, we get you those details. This is an India Today world exclusive. Let me again show you exactly where Hafiz Saeed resides. We have shown you that footage which we've got shot at great risk from a local, details of which we will not put out right now because of the sensitive nature of what we're talking about and the high security risk for the individual involved. So this footage is first of two security officers. These are the men who are round the clock protecting a terror mastermind, protecting a terrorist. This is what you get in Pakistan. Be a terrorist, get VIP protection, get VIP perks. These are the security personnel in the entrance of the lane leading up to Hafiz Saeed's residence. Right after that, you see this video here. This white building is a madrasa, it's a mosque. So the security personnel are deployed right there. This is a security official who's walking right by. That building, that mosque madrasa is what Hafiz Saeed operates out of. It's considered his workplace, if you will, where he's plotting all the terror attacks. Right opposite this mosque is his residence. This madrasa, by the way, has basements in case he has to go into hiding. In his main residence, right opposite, so it's on that side where the security officials were put up. So you can't see his building. You can see where he operates out of. But right opposite it is his main residence where his family also stays. And it's a massive property. How do we know that? I'll show you the satellite images also that we have. This area, and what you saw on your screens of that white building, that's this building right here, the mosque madrasa that Hafiz Saeed operates out of. Right opposite it is his main residence where his family members stay with him. Below this pocket here is also a residential area that Hafiz Saeed uses occasionally. So this entire stretch is his property essentially. His main residence, mosque that he operates out of, another residential area, and then walks right across to a park. And this is a private park in the heart of Lahore. This entire area reserved for him. He's given all possible VIP treatment by the Pakistan Army, so much so that in these lanes is the footage you saw. In these lanes is where the security officials have also been deployed. So 24/7 security for a terror mastermind. He's got a massive plush residence in the heart of Lahore. He's got a mosque madrasa that he operates out of almost as if it's his office. It's got basements in case he has to go into hiding. So he doesn't ever need to leave this entire area. He's even got a private park. This is a joke that Pakistan is playing on the world. That you see Hafiz Saeed, a terror mastermind, a man with blood on his hands, living the life in Lahore. No action taken against him, no action taken against Pakistan for letting a terrorist live in this manner, claiming all along that he's in jail. This, however, is the reality. We've exposed it here on India Today, and we're counting now on action against the Lashkar chief, against the man who's been involved in carrying out some of the deadliest terror attacks in the country. Agencies reportedly have also been very closely tracking Hafiz Saeed's movements, so they know full well the Pakistan sham and the eyewash that Pakistan tries to put out, that Hafiz Saeed is in jail, that he's not living a good life in Lahore. Our agencies reportedly know that, and they're constantly monitoring, targeting, and tracking Hafiz Saeed's movement. The Lashkar chief is out there, enjoying himself, clearly getting all the perks, including security, as you see there, all armed security, 24/7 for him. Ankit Kumar is joining us with more on this. Ankit, as in fact you were giving us details of the satellite images that you have accessed as well as this footage, just describe for us those lanes and how in a massive residential area, almost 4-5 plots are dedicated to a terror mastermind, to Hafiz Saeed.
Well, Akshita, as you can see, we have three parts of the video footage. Before we explain what it is, we would like to show why we are showing all this footage today. Since the day of Pahalgam attack, a lot of media reporting has focused on names such as Saifullah Khalid, Saifullah Kasuri, Abu Hamza, all sorts of names. What we are given to understand is that all these names are just puppets. The real deal, the real kingpin behind Pahalgam terror attack is Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Muhammad Saeed. Now, we are putting out two kinds of evidences. First is the video evidence. Second is the satellite pictures, which is independently sourced. Now, what we can show is there are three parts of this entire property. This is the oldest property. This is where Hafiz Muhammad Saeed, the Lashkar-e-Taiba chief, lives in the heart of Lahore with his family. The second building, which has kind of expanded over past 10 years, it has a mosque, a madrasa, residential facilities. What we are given to understand is that Hafiz Saeed spends a lot of his time during the day in this part of the building. So this is where his family lives. He goes there to sleep. This is where he works. And all his associates, all his so-called students, they live there. This used to be a public park. A part of the public park has been carved out to make a personal park for Hafiz Muhammad Saeed. This is interesting. This part is very interesting. If you go back in time, in satellite pictures, and before Balakot, or even before that, the size of this building was very small. What happened in Balakot in 2019 was that it instilled a kind of fear in people like Hafiz Saeed. Remember, there is another mosque, very popular mosque, Markaz Al-Qadsiya in Lahore. That used to be the working office for Hafiz Saeed. Since Balakot, a lot of his operations has shifted from that very mosque to this nearby building. Now, this entire scene is very important, Akshita. I will give you two examples. Osama bin Laden living in plain sight in Abbottabad. If you see the kind of place Osama used to live, that was a very isolated building, right? There were enough open slots, there were enough open space for the US Navy, for the US Marines to land their chopper. I will give you one more example. Maulana Masood Azhar, the JEM chief, if you see his hideout or his place of liking in Bahawalpur, situated along the highway, again a very isolated place. But this is different. In a place like this, it becomes very difficult to conduct an aerial operation, to conduct any kind of military operation, because of the densely populated region it is. It's a very densely populated part of Lahore, very difficult, and in plain sight lives the terror chief Hafiz Muhammad Saeed.
You know, shocking really, the manner in which Hafiz Saeed is living the good life. And the reality is, Ankit, that Pakistan tries to claim that Hafiz Saeed is actually in jail. This now opens up our eyes to how Hafiz Saeed is living the good life with 24/7 security clearly provided by the Pakistan Army.
That's right, Akshita. Hafiz Saeed living in jail. I don't think we have seen Hafiz Saeed going to jail in past 10 years, although we have seen court verdicts that have purportedly sent Hafiz Saeed to jail. What we are given to understand from our intelligence sources is that Hafiz was never sent to jail in past 10 years. He was sent in house arrest. For him, the house arrest is this locality. This white building is his place of work. This is the same building, and this is the back gate of the same building. So this is where this is what the Pakistani officials call a jail. For Hafiz Saeed, this is not a jail. As you can see, it's a post-residential part of Lahore. Hafiz does what he wants to do. He gets 24/7 3-layer security. He is free to make calls. He is free to make people to meet people. He is free to plot terror incidents such as what we have seen last week in Pahalgam, Akshita.
Absolutely. Make no mistake in your mind, viewers, that Hafiz Saeed is the mastermind behind the Pahalgam attacks. But what I tend to question here, Ankit, is this man, he's a terror mastermind. He's got the blood of hundreds on his hands, whether you look at 26/11 or since then so many other terror attacks, including Pahalgam. How is it that world bodies haven't taken note of how Hafiz Saeed is living the good life in Pakistan?
Perhaps we expect too much from world bodies, Akshita. World bodies do not pay the penalty that we tend to pay, right? The people who were killed in Kashmir were not US citizens. They were Indian citizens. And so to expect the US government, the UK government, or anybody else, remember, Pakistan was brought out of the FATF grey list. Why? Because somebody sitting in Paris believed that Pakistan was doing enough to curtail terrorism. Now look what is happening here in Kashmir. So to rely on UNSC, to rely on any other global body, that is not going to help India. India will have to take things in its own hands, which we believe that India is now planning to do. And the further evidence that people like non-state actors like Hafiz Saeed continue to live a very empowered life in localities such as this. It is further proof that our expectations to rely on US or UN or any other global body, that is not going to serve us well.
Very, very true. Ankit, thank you for joining us with all of those details, a detailed breakdown really of the video that you see on your screens of where Hafiz Saeed lives in the heart of Lahore. And what Arvind Ojha tells us is that agencies, Indian agencies are well aware of this. Arvind, कितने सालों से Hafiz Saeed यहीं पे रह रहा है? क्योंकि पाकिस्तान ये कह रहा है कि Hafiz Saeed अभी जेल में है.
बिल्कुल, देखिए पाकिस्तान यही कह रहा है कि वो एक जेल में है, उसे नज़रअंदाज किया गया है और काफ़ी वक्त से जो हाफिज सईद है वो दिखा भी नहीं है। उसका बेटा ही हर जगह लश्कर का कोई अगर जलसा होता है उसकी तकरीरों में आता है, लेकिन ये फर्स्ट टाइम है जब हम उसके हाइड आउट की कंफर्म्ड इंडियन इंटेलिजेंस से कंफर्म उसके हाइड आउट के विजुअल्स, घर, मस्जिद सब दिखा रहे हैं। और जो लाहौर के जौहर टाउन में उसका घर है, उस घर से ठीक सटी हुई मस्जिद है। और इंडिया टुडे ये भी दिखा रहा है कि कैमरे पर जो हाफिज सईद, जो जौहर टाउन के लोग हैं वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि हाफिज सईद यहीं रहता है। उसका सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल जो सिक्योरिटी में तैनात है वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है कि हाफिज सईद की वो सिक्योरिटी में तैनात है। तो जो पाकिस्तान है जो झूठ बोलता है कि जब भी उस पर कोई प्रेशर आता है इंटरनेशनल कि वो जो पाकिस्तान में टेररिस्ट हैं उन पर वो शिकंजा कस रहा है, उसका झूठ बेनकाब हो रहा है। और ये जो जौहर टाउन में जो हाफिज सईद को इस वजह से इस घनी आबादी में बसाया गया है कि अगर कोई ऑपरेशन होता है तो वो ऑपरेशन भी, हाफिज सईद के खिलाफ कोई ऑपरेशन होता है तो वो ऑपरेशन भी न हो सके। ये जो पूरा इलाका है यहाँ पर हाई सिक्योरिटी वाला इलाका, हाई सिक्योरिटी जोन इलाका यहाँ पर, और ख़ास तौर से हाफिज सईद की सिक्योरिटी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ पर टाइट है। लेकिन अब जो इंडियन इंटेलिजेंस ने हमें जानकारी दी है कि पहलगाम अटैक के बाद उसकी सिक्योरिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइट कर दी गई है और जो सिक्योरिटी है वो इंक्रीज़ कर दी गई है। घर के आसपास जो ड्रोन है उस ड्रोन से उसकी निगरानी रखी जा रही है, क्योंकि यहीं पर जो ये इलाका, यहीं पर 2021 में एक बड़ा बम धमाका भी हुआ था हाफिज सईद के घर के पास, जिसके बाद से हाफिज सईद काफ़ी ज़्यादा डरा हुआ है। तो फर्स्ट टाइम हम इंडिया टुडे पर क्लोज टॉप एंगल से हाफिज सईद जो लश्कर तोयबा का चीफ है, पहलगाम हमले में जो आतंकवादी आए थे उनका आका है, 26/11 जिसने करवाया था उसके घर, उसके ठिकाने की जो तस्वीरें हैं, जो विजुअल्स है वो दिखा रहे हैं। और साथ ही साथ जो उस इलाके के लोग हैं वो कैमरे पर एक्सेप्ट भी कर रहे हैं कि हाफिज सईद जो है यहीं रहता है।
Okay, Arvind Ojha joining us with those details. He is getting us the details really of how right now Hafiz Saeed lives in the middle of Lahore. No crackdown against him whatsoever. This is the man who's plotted so many terror attacks and yet is freely roaming around in parts of Lahore with no action against him. And Arvind also has been telling us that our agencies have been very, very closely tracking his movements, tracking that Hafiz Saeed lives in this very, very neighborhood. We've, of course, shared all the details that we've accessed in this world exclusive also with our agencies to help them identify exactly where Hafiz Saeed is, because for the first time, and Arvind can give us more details on this. Arvind, ये शायद पहली बार है जब ऐसे फुटेज भी आया है लाहौर से जहां हफीज सईद रहता है, जिसमें सिक्योरिटी जो हफीज सईद के लिए डिप्लॉयड है वो भी है ऑन कैमरा।
बिल्कुल, दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया टुडे पर हम ये एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं हाफिज सईद को, जो लश्कर तोयबा का चीफ है, जमात उद दावा का चीफ है, उसको इंडिया टुडे पर हम एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान को हम एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान हमेशा ये कहता है कि जो हाफिज सईद है वो जेल में है, उसे नज़रबंद रखा गया है, लेकिन अगर आप देखिए तो लेविश लाइफ ये जीता है। वो जो पाकिस्तान ने न सिर्फ इंडिया को बल्कि पूरी इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी को वो झूठ बोलता है, जबकि हकीकत ये कि ये जो स्क्रीन पर आप देख पा रहे हैं ये पाकिस्तान के लाहौर का जौहर टाउन जो इलाका है हाई सिक्योर, और जब से हाफिज सईद को यहाँ पर सेटल किया गया है तब से यहाँ पर प्रॉपर बैरिकेटिंग कर दी गई है। 3 से 4 लेयर की बैरिकेटिंग है, वो विजुअल एविडेंस भी इंडिया टुडे के पास है अक्षिता, जिसमें 3 से 4 लेयर की बैरिकेटिंग है। सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल तैनात होते हैं। अगर हाफिज सईद के घर की तरफ कोई जाता है और हाफिज सईद के घर के पास जो मस्जिद है जहां हाफिज सईद जाकर तकरीर करता है, वहां से ऑपरेट करता है, वहां पर कोई नज़दीक भटक नहीं सकता। वहां पर मोबाइल ले जाना मना है, वहां ड्रोन उड़ाना मना है। तो हाई सिक्योर इलाका है और फर्स्ट टाइम हम ऑन कैमरा जो हाफिज सईद का घर है, जो घर के बगल में मस्जिद है, वो पूरा ठिकाना हम दिखा रहे हैं। और पाकिस्तान ये सीधे सीधे एक्सपोज हो रहा है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान ये दावा करता है कि हाफिज सईद नज़रबंद है, वो जेल में बंद है। अक्षिता।
Okay, Arvind, thank you very much for joining us.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.